I'm making a video right now to say why I need the amp. First of all, I need the amp because right now my speakers are just sitting here catching dust in my back room. I have two 15 kickers, CVR comps. They're just sitting there collecting dust. I was playing them on this Boss 1200 watts. It was Boss R1200 4 channel. I was playing it on my mids, highs, and bass. I fried that, so now my speaker just sitting here collecting dust. I can't afford a new amp right now because I had to feed my family, take care of my family, so I can't afford another amp right now. So if I could win this contest and get the amp, it'd be a blessing. So that's why I feel like I deserve the amp.